Welcome to another YouTube challenge video. This week in maths I did a video about multiplying a 2 and 3 digit number by a 1 digit number. I thought to challenge you I'm going to do a 2 and 3 digit number by a 2 digit number, which will make it just a little bit more difficult. So firstly, I've got my problem here. I've used numbers from the challenge before, so you should recognise the numbers. 24 was one of the 2 digit numbers, and I had a 5 and a 3 in the 1 digit number, so I just combined them and made it into 5 10s, so I had 53. So I'm doing 24 times 53. Now to do this solution, I'm going to end up with 3 parts. I'm going to times 3 by 24 and write it here. I'm going to times 50 by 24 and write it below. Then I'm going to add those two together and I've got my answer. So let's start with the bit that I think you're all very confident with. 3 times 4 is 12, so I put in the 2 and I carry the 1. Now to do this method you do need to use short multiplication, or compact multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6, add to the 1 is 7. Of course what I'm doing there is 3 20s plus the 10 is 70. And I've got, so 3 times 24 is 72. On the little space below, I'm now going to do 5 times 24. I'm actually, of course, doing 50 times 24. So all I do is a little sneaky trick. By putting a placeholder in the ones, I've already multiplied my answer by 10. So I can now just do 5 times 24. 5 fours are 20. So I put the 0 in and carry the 2. 5 twos are 10 plus the 2 is 12. So what we've got here is 3 times 4 is 72, 3 times 24 is 72, and 50 times 24 is 1200. 5 times 24 is 120. So you can see place value helps me out. The last thing I need to do is add all of these together. Just be careful not to re-add these numbers here. We've already put them into the answer. So I'm just adding the 1200 to the 72. So 2 plus nothing, 7 plus nothing, 2 plus nothing, 1 plus nothing, 1272. My next problem, this time I've got a 3 digit number, but it's exactly the same. It's no more difficult than the last one. So I've got 245 multiplied by 49. I'm still going to do 9 times 245, 40 times 245, and then add them together. 9 times 5 is 45, so we put the 5 in and carry the 4. 9 times 4 is 36, plus the 4 is 40, so we put the 0 in and carry the 4. 2 times 9 is 18, plus the 4 is 22, so we carry the 2, put the 2 in, carry the 2. 2205. Next up I'm going to do 40 times 245. So I can do 4 times 245. I'm going to put the placeholder in. 4 times 5 is 20. Put the 0, carry the 2. 4 fours are 16 plus 2 is 18. 2 fours are 8 plus the 1 is 9. Fantastic. And finally, there we go. Finally, I'm going to add them all together. 5 plus nothing is 5. 0 plus 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 2 is 11. Plus this one down here is 12. 12,005. Create some problems of your own. Challenge yourself. If you wanted to, you could even try doing a 3 digit by 3 digit, but what you would have there is you would have 3 answers here, timesing by the 1s, timesing by the 10s, and then you could also have a timesing by the 100s. Good luck, show me what you can do, and keep learning.